Hey guys, welcome back to Zandergdrive, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Starting a crafting business requires a solid foundation. This includes finding a niche, knowing your target audience, and all the legal requirements in your city or state before you launch your business. It's important to have a business idea that identifies a gap in the market. Unfortunately, this is necessary because some categories are incredibly oversaturated and you don't want to end up with piles of inventory and no one to buy it. If you're planning to start a small craft business, find a way to make yourself stand out from the competition by either finding an untapped niche within your market or creating a specialized product that other sellers are not selling yet. In this video, I will go over 20 craft business ideas that you can venture into. Before we get started, it's worth noting that many successful ventures are built on existing skills and hobbies. But if you don't mind having to learn something completely new, then this video is for you. The first crafting business is custom laser engraving service. This is an incredibly great business to capitalize on and offer custom laser engraving services within your local community or e-commerce. As long as you're able to provide the service, you're good to go. Laser technology has revolutionized the world of crafts, allowing people with a passion for DIY to create intricate, personalized designs with precision and efficiency. With a laser engraver, you can use various materials to create personalized products and cater to various niche markets, making your craft business stand out from the competition. Another idea is custom clothing and accessories. Personalized clothing and accessories are constantly gaining popularity with items such as apparel, bags, and shoes featuring names, logos, or intricate patterns. Home decor is also something that is highly sought after, including wall art, decorative signs, lamps, and functional items like coasters and cloaks, featuring laser-cut designs, custom rugs, ornaments. The options are endless. Holiday decor is another idea that you can tap into. Seasonal festivities provide one of the most lucrative avenues for craft business ideas. Investing in a laser engraver will definitely make you create as many crafts as you possibly can. You can utilize laser cutting and engraving to create custom ornaments, detailed holiday-themed wall hangings, or even personalized gift tags, whether it's Christmas, Halloween, Easter, or any other holiday. Jewelry is another form of business idea that will always be in demand, and if you can craft intricate and personalized jewelry pieces like pendants, earrings, or bracelets, you're one step ahead of all the competitors. It definitely isn't an easy choice since there are a lot of competitors. However, it's worth a shot if you have a unique idea. You can add a personal touch to jewelry with laser engraving. If you have a knack for combining items into one cohesive and eye-catching package, you can start a gift basket business. You can specialize in creating themed baskets for holidays, weddings, or corporate events. There's a market for your unique and personalized creations. Along the same lines as creating gift baskets, flower arranging could be the perfect craft small business idea if you have an eye for matching colors or understand how to combine chaos into something that looks great. Find a place where you can source your flowers and consider loaning your services to friends and family first and then growing the business from there. 3D printing is another craft business to consider if you have a budget for the equipment and the skill. You can sell custom 3D products or create something unique with your 3D printer that people cannot get anywhere else. Another idea is resin crafts. You can consistently make as many of a product as you want if you have the mold. Resin is a basic material to work with once you learn, which makes this a great material to start a craft business with. Resin can create some interesting arts and crafts, including keychains, figurines, picture frames, carding boards, and coasters. Another business idea is to make stickers. Stickers are a way for people to express their true personalities, and what works for one person may not work for the other. Selling stickers is a very profitable business. There are planner stickers, stickers for teachers, holiday stickers, and expressive stickers for things like reusable water bottles and laptops. You can also create stickers and sell them online or create digital downloads that people can purchase and print themselves. Candle making is probably one of the easiest craft businesses to start from home. There's a market for candles. You just need to figure out your niche. For example, some candle businesses come up with men's scents such as bacon, smoke, musk, which is quite popular, or any woodsy outside smell. You can create candles for personal use or decorative purposes. One other great craft business idea is soap making. Whether you're trying to make designer soap or small hand soaps that kids will love, soap making is a great craft that you can do in just about any kitchen. With a little bit of research and a bit of online shopping, you can learn how to make soap and get all the ingredients delivered to your door. You just need to bring your creativity into it. A unique business idea that people don't really tap into is creating coloring pages. Artists have found a terrific way to sell their art through coloring pages. They draw their pattern and then create a digital file, then sell on Etsy or in their Shopify online store. You can create and sell coloring books as well. Starting a profitable craft business requires a combination of creativity, business acumen, and dedication. Choose a craft niche that aligns with your passion and skills. Conduct thorough market research and develop a comprehensive business plan. With the right approach, your craft business can thrive and bring you both artistic fulfillment and financial success. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you and you're ready to start off the new year with a bang. Thank you for watching. Until next time, subscribe, like, comment, and share.